I have a confession. I've been budgeting with YNAB every single month for many years. I teach this stuff. I know budgeting. But there has not been a single month where I haven't overspent on something. Overspending is just a part of budgeting. Sure, we try to avoid it, but it is going to happen. So what really matters is how we deal with it and keep going. If you see any red alerts in the available column, that means that you have overspent in that category. It means that you spent more money than you had available in that category. And red means urgent. It means you gotta fix it right away. Because you've overspent with cash, and that cash is really coming from somewhere else in your budget. And that means your budget isn't really telling you the truth. You can't really use it to guide your spending decisions. And hey, that's the whole point of having a budget in the first place, right? So we want you to cover that overspending by moving money from another category. And the way to do that in the web app is just to click on the overspending alert right here and choose what category you want to move that money from. So I'm going to choose to cover this overspending from vacation. And before I do this, I want to show you, notice we have $250 available in vacation. So check that. I'll go ahead and type in vacation in the dropdown and choose that. And watch that vacation budget amount. That money will move right when I click OK. There we go. So now we move $22 from vacation right up here to groceries. So we've covered that overspending. And we might want to save a little more in vacation later on, but that's up to us. For now, we're all set. That's how to cover overspending in the web app, but I also want to show you how to do it on mobile too. If you have overspending, you'll notice this blue banner right at the top of the budget screen. Just tap right there, and you'll get a list of all the categories that are currently overspent. If you tap on one, you'll get a list of categories that currently have money in them. So those are your options for where you want to take the money from. And for me, I'm going to take that money from fun money right here. So the money will move, and we'll get those indicators there, and we're all set. So I'll do that one more time. I'll do the same thing for gaming, just so you can see it again. Gaming, and this time I'll actually type in fun money there. There we go. Money moves, and we're done. We've covered all our overspending. The budget even gives you a nice little great job there, so that's kind of fun. Now there's one other thing I want to cover about overspending. I'm sure a lot of you guys out there are saying, I know you tell me to cover the overspending right away, but Ben, I just can't do it. Maybe you're looking at your budget and you just don't know where to take it from. Or maybe you forgot and you don't cover it before that month rolls over. That's okay. We have a way to deal with that too. So I've gone back in time here a little bit, and I didn't cover the overspending yet in groceries or dining out or gaming. So I have some overspending here. So let's say I don't cover it before the end of the month. Well, in the next month, I'll show you what happens. The overspending has gone away in the categories, but the money is removed from to be budgeted right at the top of the month. So that means you're going to have less money to work with in the next month. So YNAB has covered the overspending that way. So if you have some overspending in a past month, you can go back in time and cover it if you want to. But if you're looking at the current month and to be budgeted is back to zero or it's positive, then you're good to go. You don't necessarily have to go back and cover that old overspending. But you are going to have less to work with in the new month because of the overspending in the past. So that's how we deal with cash overspending if you don't cover it in the current month. Red is red for a reason. It's an urgent alert that needs your immediate attention. Be sure to cover overspending as soon as you see it so you know your budget is telling you the truth and you can use it to guide your spending.